In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello notifications. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your notifications, how to filter what you see, and how to fine-tune email and desktop alerts so you get the right updates at the right time without feeling overwhelmed. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is the hub for everything you're working on, and it's also where you'll access notifications. Trello notifications are triggered by activity on cards and boards you're part of or watching, things like comments, due date changes, mentions, and moves. So keeping them tuned is essential for staying on top of teamwork. Look to the top right of the page and click the notifications bell. This opens your notification panel. Think of this panel as your activity inbox. You can scan through recent activity, quickly jump into a card, or just review what's changed since you last checked in. If you're trying to focus, toggle the option to only show unread notifications. This helps you cut through the noise and see just the updates you haven't addressed yet. It's a simple way to turn a long list into a short, actionable feed. When you open a notification and review the related card, it's effectively taken care of, and you can move on to the next item. For more control, open the three dots menu inside the notifications panel. This is your shortcut to settings that shape how and when Trello reaches you. From here, adjust your notification email frequency. Choose whether Trello emails you as things happen or groups updates into periodic summaries. If you prefer to keep your inbox light, pick a less frequent option and rely more on the in-app panel. You can also allow desktop notifications. Enabling this lets Trello show alerts directly on your computer, even if your browser is minimized. If you don't see prompts, check your browser and system notification settings to make sure alerts are allowed. This is especially helpful if you want timely nudges about mentions or due dates without living in your email. Finally, open the full notification settings page to see all available options in one place. Here, you can refine which activities trigger alerts, decide how push or email notifications behave, and confirm your preferences for mentions and watched items. If a particular board gets noisy, consider reducing its alerts or unwatching specific cards so the most important work remains front and center. That's it. With these options set, Trello will keep you informed without distracting you, so you can focus on moving your work forward.